Today, we're diving into Chai AI, an AI chat app that promises a unique conversational experience. But does it really deliver? Let's explore what sets it apart and whether it's worth your time and attention. Chai AI positions itself as a platform where you can chat with AI in a more personalized manner. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to jump right in. You can interact with various AI personalities, each designed to offer a different flavor of conversation. This could be appealing for those looking to explore different styles of interaction, whether for entertainment or learning. However, while the concept sounds intriguing, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the depth of conversations can vary significantly depending on the AI personality you choose. Some users might find the interactions lacking in nuance, especially if they're expecting a more human-like experience. Additionally, there's limited information about how the AI adapts to individual users over time, which could be a key factor for those seeking a more tailored chat experience. When it comes to strengths, Chai AI is definitely easy to use and offers a fun way to engage with different AI personalities. This could be great for casual users looking for a bit of entertainment or a unique way to pass the time. On the flip side, there are some notable weaknesses. The variability in conversation quality can be frustrating, especially for users seeking in-depth or meaningful exchanges. Plus, the lack of transparency regarding data usage and security might raise concerns for more cautious users. If you're someone who enjoys light casual chats, Chat AI might suit your needs. But if you're looking for a more robust and meaningful interaction with AI, you may want to explore other options that offer deeper engagement. In conclusion, Chai AI could be worth a try if you're after a fun and casual chat experience. However, if you need something more substantial or secure, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's an interesting tool, but its effectiveness really depends on what you're hoping to get out of it.